26 people are no longer facing gambling charges tonight. Thanks for watching News Channel 9 at 11. I'm Kim Chapman.
And I'm Josh Rowe. 2 months ago, 48 people were given citations for gambling after a raid at a Chattanooga VFW hall. Tonight, News Channel 9's Alyssa Sperato tells us why the district attorney's office dropped those charges. Alyssa.
That's right, Kim and Josh. Chattanooga Police raided the VFW on Riverside Drive after they received citizen complaints. They say the VFW was renting out the hall, and that's when those games took place. But after police issued 48 citations, why were more than half of them dropped?
In August, 48 people were issued citations for gambling and asked to turn themselves in. One of them was Richard Hensley. He was dealing the night the VFW was raided.
I know it's illegal, but I don't think it was that big of a deal.
And nearly 2 months later, half of those charges, including Hensley's, were dropped.
And in fairness to not only the defendant, but the law enforcement and our office as well, you have to make a decision which some cases are worthy pursuing all the way through a jury trial and some are not.
Hamilton County District Attorney Neal Pinkston says because of the nature of the charge and the lack of prior criminal history, the DA's office offered a plea agreement. They would drop the charges only if the suspects agreed to pay court costs and return any money that was made during the game.
I know in the grand scheme it's not a huge charge, but it still is illegal and it shouldn't be occurring.
But Hensley says illegal games happen all over the city.
I mean, lawyers play poker, doctors play poker, everybody's playing poker. We're men. That's what we do. We like to gamble, and that's just what goes on.
He believes the game was targeted because it was the biggest known event in town.
I mean, that was the most people at once. They knew they could get the most money at once. Yeah, I mean, other games might have 10 to 20 people at them. We had 48 people down there that night.
And we asked Chattanooga Police for an on-camera interview about the topic, but we were told the investigator in this case wasn't available. The remaining 15 pending cases will go before a Hamilton County judge October 21st.